My son's friend, who I think is originally from here, gave him some recommendations for free things to do. So that's what we're gonna be. We're gonna be heading to a cliff nearby. Okay, this place looks shady as hell. My son's gonna go read some of the signs because this place looks like... Okay, well, I guess we have to go park where the other cars are because it's public access over there, but this place looks private. Okay, I'm heading into this, like, entry that's all gated off, and I don't know if it's legit, but supposedly locals come here to, I guess, fish or something. All this lava rock here.
Right here?
Okay, I guess we're at some burial grounds, but there's nothing but lava rock and hills. And then that's where the ocean is. But yeah, apparently to our left are burial grounds, but I don't see any like gravestones or anything. A lot of waves crashing over here. I don't know if you can see that, but let me see if I can get footage. It's actually really pretty, but I'm sure it's dangerous nonetheless. It's pretty water. Ooh, there we go. That's a strong one. I want to go down there, but I don't. Is he not listening again? Okay, my son is acting like we're freaking 20-year-old frat boys, like trying to do some jump off on some cliff. I'm not trying to do that. Can we just witness these two guys cliff dive? Okay. So I think that they're gonna climb their way back up. I think that's what the boys were looking for, but that's too adventurous for me. There's steps going up? Okay. I think they're gonna do... I think they're gonna climb. That's what I think they're gonna do. Is the lizard still there?
Hey. Nice. And two guys jump off.
They don't let us what? It's kind of dangerous, dude. It smells like elephant droppings or something. It's like that grass tinged poop, like dried poop is what it smells like right now. Oh, those guys jumped again. This guy found another path. Guess I'll walk through it. Where did she go? I guess this is what happens when you adventure with your kids. They just take these weird routes, and I'm tired.
Oh, okay.
I found the guys. That's what John was talking about. There's like random goats around.
That's like.
So apparently we were gonna go in there because we thought it was a night market, but they are filming Temptation Island across the way. So over here somewhere. But I guess apparently Ava said she was really obsessed with that show. But yeah, they're filming over there somewhere. So I don't know what season it is because I don't follow it, but check it out, y'all. It's coming. Hi guys, we're at the Royal Kona Resort Luau here in Kailua Kona, and it is raining, or it's sprinkling right now, so there's a good chance that this show is going to be canceled. If it is, then we get our money back, but so far it is not too bad.
Okay. That's it. Oh, that's it. Oh. What is that?
These drinks are included with our tickets. So
What's that?
they're alcoholic drinks, but there is a buffet in the back there that I'll show you guys later. Hey, you're gonna hit somebody. Just go over there.
Let's go next to her. It's like a jump rope.
Oh, she's doing like one. Hi.
For your hair or for your wrist?
For my hair would be great.
And would you like it on your, is this your other half?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to put it on your left hand.
Oh, okay.
Left typically means you're taken.
Okay. Good to know.
Yeah, just like how people wear their wedding ring on their left.
Oh, okay. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, thank you.
Cool, thank you.
Thank you. Do you want to get yours on too? I don't know. Maybe that one right there.
This way?
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, thank you.